Hello everyone, this is Lori from Journals from the Attic, here to share with you a journal that I have created using Nature's Remedies by Artymaze and Tracie Fox Creative. The journal is approximately 8.5 by 5.5. It does have a hollow back spine and a book plate on the spine. It has about 196 pages. As you open up, here's the first signature, and it has a top pocket, and it has a tag and a journaling spot. There's vintage ledger paper in here and some vintage book pages. All the paper has been coffee dyed, and there is lots of blank pages for you to journal on. Here is the middle of the signature with the pocket and some collaging and a tag, some lace. And then on this side of the page, there is one of Tim Holtz's pocket cutouts with a lot of the ephemera, and all this ephemera has been backed with coffee paper also, so you can write on it or put it throughout the journal where you would like. Some tracing paper, tab, the other half of that journal, or the other half of that book page, a glassine doily. This is the other pocket with the large tag and journal spot. The second signature also starts with a pocket tag and a vintage book page, and either a tag or a bookmark, and a half sheet with some writing on it, and another vintage book page, a ledger sheet. This is the middle of this signature, and these have some side pockets, which I've done some collaging on. And there is a tag, a journal sheet, and another bookmark. This side has a tag, some ephemera from the kit, and another bookmark or journaling spot. And the other side of that signature and I've done some stamping on here, and the pocket tag has again a bookmark or a journaling spot and some of the vintage paper from herb book. And we'll go to the third signature. There's some collaging and stenciling from the ephemera from the kit. Another book page flips out. This is a vintage ledger paper. This is also a ticket that does have a magnet, and it can be used anywhere in the journal on any page to hold notes, tickets, whatever you would like. There's some more vintage book pages. There is a vintage music sheet. This is the start of the signature in the middle of the signature with some pockets and tags from the kit. And the colors in this digital kit are gorgeous. And the other side has the other tags and pockets. Another tab, The other side of that vintage music paper. Book pages. And collaging on this side with some stenciling. And the next signature starts with a big writing spot with some stenciling. Another of that book page. This is some vintage ledger sheet, a tab, an envelope that has nothing in it right now, but I will set something in it. More of that book page. The center of this signature. And it's just a blank page for writing. And then here is a flip out. And this does have something to write on. The book pages. An envelope. Flip out of this book. More journaling spots. Some stenciling. And here is a pocket with some lace. And these are 2 tags that have been dyed, backed with coffee dyed paper. Doily. Some more of that vintage insect book. That went perfect with this Nature's Remedy. Some stenciling on a vintage ledger sheet. A pocket with a journal spot. Tab. The middle of the signature. And these are some tickets that I've used as a part of, as a side tuck with some of the ephemera from the kit. The stenciling. The back of the signature with some tags that have been backed with coffee dyed paper. And this is the last signature. And some flip outs. Paper, another large tag. It slips into this pocket. It does slip into the pocket. Tab with some graph paper with some stenciling on it. Some more vintage book pages. Middle of the signature that has some collaging on it. And some more large tag. Another journaling spot. Another large tag. And a small journaling spot. And some collaging from the ephemera from the kit. And done some more stenciling on that graph paper. Another pocket, side tuck pocket with more journaling spots. Tag. Flip out of this book. And the back of the signature. So this book will be available in my Etsy shop. The link is below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.